Good morning everybody, this is Mr. Driving School Driver Training. In this video I'm going to talk about lane discipline and how to deal with a roundabout safely. Okay, so we are approaching a roundabout. At this roundabout I'm going to take the second exit ahead. Which lane do I need to stay? So I will stay in the middle lane because the left lane is left only, and I'm going second exit. So check my mirrors, no signaling. Then I'm going A10. This is the first exit, and then as soon as I pass the first exit, center mirror, left mirror, signal left, and leave the roundabout. Then cancel my signal. So now which lane do I need to stay? I will stay in the left lane. So why left lane? So the highway code says if you see the left lane is available, you must drive on the left lane unless you're overtaking or turning right. I'm not overtaking and I'm not turning right. The left lane is available, so I must use the left lane. Okay, so now this part is we approach a spiral roundabout. We are approaching spiral roundabout, and this roundabout I'm going to go ahead, second exit, and the roundabout control with the traffic light. So I will stay in my left lane and the roundabout control with the traffic light. Then as soon as I pass the first exit, okay, then I'm going to the left lane. So mirror signal left. So now there's a police car. Now I'm going to change my lane. So center mirror right, mirror signal right, because the left lane is closed. So I'm just gonna change my lane here. There you go. Done. I'm going to go ahead now. Okay, so straight on. Yes. So now center mirror, left mirror, and signal there. Okay, that was the incident there. The police was chasing the cars, so I have to change my lane. There you go. Thank you guys, and I hope you find this short video useful. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and have a lovely day.